Hi everybody, welcome to my video on citations of court judgments or case laws. In this video, I am trying to brief you about citations of court judgments and how to find judgments in print law reports and also in online or offline databases by using the case citations. Before going to see the ways and examples for citations, let us first know about court judgments and reports. The Supreme Court, High Courts, tribunals and commissions are the main sources to deliver the judgments or case laws, and these judgments will be uploaded to their own websites regularly. There are more than 10 lakhs judgments delivered and available so far in India. These judgments of decided cases later reported in law reports, law journals and databases. There are more than 200 law reports and around 10 databases reporting these judgments regularly, like daily, weekly, quarterly and monthly. You may find subject specific reports and journals in addition to general interest law reports like All India Reporter. The subject specific reports will publish judgments on a particular group of classified cases like civil cases, criminal cases, company cases, etc. The examples for these reports are Arbitration Law Reporter, Criminal Law Journal, company cases, matrimonial cases, AR civil cases, etc. And now coming to the main topic, there are three different ways to find a specific judgment in print reports and in databases. These are the unique ways. The first way is by using case citation. The second way is by using appellant or respondent name, court name, name of the judge and date of decision. And the third way is by using the filing number of the case. First, I will take finding judgments using case citation. Case citation plays a major role in helping to find judgments of these courts. Case citation is a system of representation of key information used by legal professionals to identify the previous judgments or decisions of the courts. Case citation for a particular case is different from one report to another. Each report contains judgments with their own style of representing the citations, but generally contains the same key information. The case citation usually contains name of the court which delivers the judgment, title of the report, year of the publication, volume number, part number or issue number and page number. It includes any of these or all of these key information. Majority of law books contain case citations in footnotes of many pages. This is the most common thing in law books and research articles, that you can see this case citation in footnotes. I will try to give you one example here. This is the example. The case is Arnab Manoranjan Goswami versus the state of Maharashtra and others. In this example, you can see the ways of finding judgments by using the key information, like by using citation, by using parties' names, court, judge's name and date of decision, and by using filing number of the case. Here in this citation example, you can see 4 different citations of one specific judgment. These are the 4 equivalent citations, or you could say alternative citations of a same judgment. You can get this judgment in All India Reporter, Criminal Law Journal, Supreme Court cases and also in Manupatra database. Usually landmark judgments will be published in more than 10 reports and databases simultaneously. Now I will show you the parts of case citations. I will take same examples. In this first one, AIR 2021 SC1. Here AIR stands for All India Reporter. It's the name of the report. 2021 is the year of the publication of the report. SC stands for Supreme Court. It's a Supreme Court judgment, and 1 is the page number of the judgment printed in that report. In the second one, 2021 CRILJ 517, here the 2021 is the year of the publication of the report. CRILJ stands for Criminal Law Journal. It's a name of the journal or report. 517 is the page number of the judgment printed in that report. In third one, 2021 to SCC 427. Here 2021 in bracket is the year of the publication of the report. 2 is the volume number. SCC stands for Supreme Court Cases. It's the name of the report. 427 is the page number of the judgment printed in that report. Here the first 3 examples are the case citations of print reports, but the fourth one is the case citation of Manupatra database. Manu/SC/0902/2021. In this one, Manu says that this is the judgment available in Manupatra database. SC, it's a Supreme Court case. 0902 is the serial number given by the database itself to that specific judgment, and 2020 is the case decided in the year 2020. In these examples, you may note one thing, that the case was decided on 28th of November 2020, but it was published after January 2021 issues of the reports. The print reports take more than 1 month time to report the judgments in their issues. This is the first way, and the second way of finding judgment is by using parties' names, court, judge's name and date of decision. Those things are visible on the screen. And the third way is by using filing number of the case. In this example, the filing number of this case is Criminal Appeal number 742 of 2020. This was case referring and arising out of SLP CRL number 5598 of 2020. Here SLP stands for Special Leave Petition. There are different types of cases filing in the courts, like first appeal, second appeal, original side appeal, special tribunal appeal, civil miscellaneous appeal, letters patent appeal, special tribunal petition, contempt appeal, cross objection, trademarks appeal, tax cases, referred cases, civil revision, matrimonial cases, review application, etc. You could recognize the type of case by using the filing number of the case. In this context, I would also like to say about 2 more things. The first thing is about head note. Head note is a note inserted at the beginning of the full text of a judgment. It is a summary appearing at the end of the full text of a judgment. Head note tries to summarize precisely the principle of law which the case establishes the concept from general to specific. In addition to this, many reports include facts of the case along with the head note in the beginning of the judgments, and these head notes and facts of the cases are the copyrighted content of the publishers of the reports. There is a slight difference between the head note and facts of the case from one publisher to another for the same judgment. And the second thing I would like to say is about the neutral citation. You may find neutral citations in judgments of the British, Irish courts, House of Lords, Privy Council, Court of Appeal and other foreign courts since last 2 decades. Neutral citation helps to find judgments independently without the interference of any publishers. Neutral citations contains only the parties' names, year of the judgment, court and case number. I will give one example. It is Rotman versus MPC 2002 UKHL 20. Here in this case, the citation says that this is the 20th judgment decided in 2002 by the United Kingdom's House of Lords. This is how you can read case citations and find the judgments in print reports and databases. Knowing about the case citations, head notes, facts of the cases is very useful to the law students, faculty, researchers and anybody connected with legal profession. These are all about citations of court judgments and how to find judgments using case citations. So in upcoming videos, you will see many more videos regarding information resources on law subject. If you are interested to watch these videos, kindly like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel and click on bell button to get notifications. Thank you.